I have some croaker steaks. I have fresh thyme, spring onions, red onions, 1 scotch bonnet, olive oil, white pepper and salt. The chopped vegetables, that's the onions, scotch bonnet, which is optional, spring rolls, spring onions into the fish. Adding some white pepper and some salt. If you prefer, you can add in maybe 1 or 2 slices of lemon to give it some lemony flavor, and then drizzle some olive oil onto the fish. I've put some plastic food gloves on to protect my hands from this. So I'm going to rub into the fish the spices and the fresh vegetables. Place the seasoned fish steak into a baking tray or oven dish. Place the seasoned juice and vegetable and sliced lemons on top of the fish. Fish with some foil paper and leave it in the fridge to soak up the spices, the herbs and the lemon flavor for about 30 minutes, and then place in a grill for about 20 minutes. Fish is ready, and you can serve this with any dish like rice dishes or chips or salad or anything of your choice. Enjoy.